About where is all of this smoke coming from? Yesterday in western Boulder County, someone told me it looked like a literal wall of smoke. They could almost taste it. And that's not all that surprising, as the Lee and Elk Fire have almost burned. I believe we're at about 37,000 acres combined. So don't be too caught off guard, I-25, if the smoke is still pretty fresh looking, ominous looking, as it's headed our way. This was sent to me yesterday, but it is from the Longmont area. Behind the house here, it was just a wall of very dark smoke, and that just continues on and off, fueling some air quality concerns. Probably through Friday and even into Saturday. That is looking likely. Really all of northern Colorado decreasing, though, the further east you are getting. So that's really the explanation to why we're seeing some of this thick smoke. Don't be too concerned. Just stay weather aware. It's likely from one of those 3 fires out there on the western slope. Another thing we're seeing for today, dry thunderstorms. A little stalled out front up to our north and east. It's not bringing relief from the heat, but just enough lift with this that we are seeing 1 or 2 of these dry thunderstorms, like I said, attempting to develop. That also could translate to windy on and off gusts through the evening downtown in Denver, but not much of this moisture, if any, has reached the ground, at least up to this point, with some reports I've picked up on. Already, that gets us through the wildfire smoke. That gets us through what we're seeing with the potential 1 or 2 raindrops. But now what are we looking at for your Thursday? Because that's when the dangerous heat really begins to set in. At this point, it's looking like triple digits will certainly be a possibility. This ridge of high pressure, I've just been telling you, it locks in all of this current weather. It's a dome locking in the temperatures day by day. They continue to warm in turn. It's quite impressive. Look at Highway 50 just about out of the way here. Lamar, 107 for tomorrow. It gets hot down there, but above 105, it is just downright intolerable. 102 in Greeley, Sterling, Julesburg at 100 degrees. DIA, we're thinking 99 with the current forecast. But what I want to tell you is that 80-degree trend. So it's 80 degrees starting at about 7:30 to 8 a.m., and it stays that way until possibly midnight. That just can lead to heat exhaustion, as well as near record highs when we are peaking. 1980, we hit 99. I think tomorrow there's a good chance we hit at least 99 at the airport. The long duration trend, this is exactly what we are watching, of our temperatures surging above average, will create for some sensitive groups, vulnerable groups. If you're dehydrated, well, it could create some issues. So just use some common sense tomorrow. Take care of your body. 99 downtown in Denver as well. Now over towards Longmont, Firestone, triple digits could be possible. One more reminder, through Friday, we are looking at red flag warnings for the western slope, continental divide. By Friday itself, we will see these extend towards the foothills. All of these gaps west of Denver, we need to fill in, and that's just the dry air and the gustier conditions. When does the relief arrive? When do we see the big change? Oh, it's coming. It's by Saturday. Watch our futurecast. We pick up just a few rain showers, but it'll be enough to bring cooler temperatures and the chance of much needed moisture. That relief is looking nice. 84 degrees by Sunday, right about now. That sounds like the perfect day of the week to circle on your calendar, get outside and take advantage.
We've got our eye on it. All right, yeah. Joe, thank you so much.